Hey developers, welcome back to this new video. And in this video, we'll see an array problem named remove element. Just we are given an array called nums and a value called val. So we have to remove all the instance of the value in nums. So inside nums. So and we have to return the new length of the nums after removing all the instances. So here are some explanations about nums. So nums is passed in by reference, without making a copy. So we have to change that nums actually. We cannot do a trick just finding the length of that after removing all the instances. We cannot just do like that. We actually required to remove all the instances of that array, of the value in that array. So we just want to remove that. So and here is it's like we not required to return that array again. So we are just required to return that length only. So let's start the problem. And before that, uh, if you are new to this channel, I am Praveen, doing tech and coding stuff in this channel. So remember to subscribe and let's get into the video. So first of all, we need a while loop. So what technique I'm gonna use is, so it's basically easier problem. So if you are went through some coding problems, and we are just iterating through the nums, and we are just checking if the current value is equal to val. So if it's the case, we are just removing it, or else we are just skipping it. So it's I'm using while loop here. You can use for loop too. So while I less than the len of nums, it will run. And here we are checking if nums of I is equal to the value that given. And if it's the case, we are just removing I from array. So by using the pop function, which are we are just required to pass the index, not the value. So it will remove the element from the array. And if it's not the case, we are just incrementing the I value by 1. So after that, finally we are returning the length. So it's a easy problem that you can see, but it is also a popular problem, like asked in many coding interviews, in big tech companies. So you can check lead code for more details. And let me summarize again. Like we are using a while loop here. I had a pointer like I, which is pointing to index from starting, and we are checking a condition which is I is less than ln of nums, and we are just iterating through all the elements in that array, and we are checking that current element is equal to value or not. If that's the case, we are just removing that, else we are just incrementing the I by 1. So after that, finally we are just returning the new length, which will be after removing all the instances of that value in that array. So hope it will work. Let me check the code by running the code. Yeah, it accepted the test case, like a sample test case. So let me submit again to check all the test cases. Yeah, it passed all the test cases. So we are at the end of the video. So you can get this code in my GitHub page. For the link will be in my description. You can check it out, and you can check my link like a Fang interview questions playlist. I was solving these problems, these kind of data structures problems. So you can check it out. And if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe. So if you have any suggestions, like uh, like asking for a tutorial in Python or Java, so you can let me know in comments. And thanks for watching. Bye.